warmer day down that east coast of England, we won't have the issue with the cloud, 7, possibly 28, Wales, northwest England. Apart from the year that we had our heatwave in the south of England, reaching the highest temperature we've ever achieved.
It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's very hot outside, so we're keeping the windows open and the blinds closed. Let's have a look what's going on. Hello.
Bonjour, bon matin.
Yes, we are in England.
Oh, hello.
We are leaving the EU. And I think I'll show you around the campsite in a bit. I'll do that first. I'm going to get Kira out the sun forcefully. Okay, I had a bit of a result there. I tried to push her under the umbrella, but she was having none of that. But she's agreed with me that she is hot. And there's a sort sanctuary under there. Now you stay there because it's too hot for you, Kira. You're hot, Alfie. And the camper's doing pretty good at the moment. And let me show you the windows now. That is making a hell of a difference. Even makes the place look bigger, if anything. Radio 6 is on. It's covering Glastonbury, which is about to start Friday. But everybody I know has gone down, went down Tuesday. So let's have a look how we're doing in the sun, because we've seen you in the rain. People now want to see you in the sunshine at last. So we got a happy flag out. Yeah, it's a big smiley face when the wind's in the right direction. Oh, and the new tyres. Let's have a look how they're doing. Yep, they're doing fine. We lost a hubcap, but we've had the rims, but I painted the rims and they look just as good to me. You can't lose the rim. If you lose the rim, you're in trouble. Now this is an example of the window open with the blind down. And it works just as well. You've got options, plenty of options. This rack here, this used to be for the fold out bedroom, and what happens is this comes forward and off these clips here, unclip it and it slides forward and it comes out to about here. Now I haven't got rid of it because what it did, it took a support for the folding bedroom, which is obviously no longer needed because we're an A-frame now. But what I've done is what I'm going to do with that, as I say, as it comes out to about here, I'm going to build a bike rack on that, so the bike rack will sit on the back. Now the other addition we've had, which we should have had ages ago, are pads, because it only had the hoops on them, and these were only 10 quid from eBay. But I broke one immediately coming in here because it dragged on the floor and snapped the catch off. But what they did, they sent me more than I needed, one extra, so they obviously knew that I wasn't going to break one off. So I've got to be careful with that. Although it wouldn't cause much damage if it did break up, you're just going to lose them. But I've got them all round now. As you can see, they've got the water pumps going to oxygenate the water. Keeps the fish healthy. Beautiful lake. Well, it's a man-made lake. There's no tide, so it's a lake. Here is our little setup for the football tonight. The Women's World Cup. England are in the quarter-finals. And here's Kira. I just want to show you a bit more about this event tent, because it's working now. Last time you saw this, it was soaking wet. That was a bit depressing actually. But now we're in 26, 27 degrees Celsius heat, and there's not a lot of wind. And I just want to show you how the sidewalls fold down. We've got them folded down halfway to let a bit of air through, and I think this is working quite well. Here we are on the designated dog walk for Northern Farm. And what do you think of this then, Bernadette?
Well, it's 7:30 in the evening and it's still lovely and warm and a lovely cool breeze.
It's not raining either, is it?
No, it's going to be quite smelly. Okay.
There's other parts of the campsite here. Very breezy here, but it's a warm breeze. And as I said earlier, Glastonbury festival is over there somewhere. That's where all the lads are. There's nothing better than watching the football in your own private swimming pool. Hey.
Her first touch, brilliant. The defender knows exactly that she... And that's exactly what she's done there. Brilliant from Paris, brilliant from Bronze. Right position. Went through her hands. Fantastic strike. She did it in 2015. She's done it again.
First of all, I'd like to say congratulations to the English football team, the women's English football team. They got through to the quarterfinals and are now in the semi-finals.
Oh dear, the wine's run out. Last one.
Is it called the English Pennliner?
English Pennliner. If you go on YouTube, it's definitely on there.
I will have a look. Pennliner.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for that.
I'm actually gone to a good home.
Yes.
It has. And we're going to put it on now. Take some pictures. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you later.
Julie.
Oh, see you later, Julie.
Ta-da.
Thank you. Bye.
That's very nice of her. What did she do? She just stops and she's told everybody about the English Pennliner, and she gave us a bespoke, handmade flamingo hitch cover.
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's very nice. That's never happened to me before. What do you think, Kira? Very nice of the lady. No, very nice of Julie.
Yeah.
That's what the sun does to us English people. Drives us balmy. Well, this is Julie's place, who very kindly gave us the hitch cover with the pink flamingos on it. And it's a beautiful camper, and I'm going to have a look at that right now.
Warm, isn't it?
It's very warm. This is Julie, who very kindly gave us the hitch cover today. And look at her. Look at that for a sunshade. That's beautiful. You've got a lovely place here, haven't you?
Yes.
Hello, little boy. Hello. I'm not you. I've come to see. I've come to see this beautiful L-Reg camper.
Now you have to ask the name of the flamingo.
Okay then. What is the name of the flamingo in the back of this?
My Fanny.
Pardon?
My Fanny.
Is it okay? This is your Fanny then.
Yes, that's my Fanny.
Okay. Excellent. So this is Julie's Fanny.
Yes, in all her glory.
Oh. Well, it's a very nice one. And that's just what year is that? 73.
Yeah.
Had an L-Reg Escort. So. Oh yeah, she's looking very. Very nice with the. No, that's the patina. That is. You don't restore these no more. They've got to have some character. How come then all the flamingos? Can you say that and broadcast it?
What's that?
The flamingos. Why?
No idea.
Oh, okay.
No idea at all. People ask me and I can't remember.
This is the most unusual camper. I mean, I have a sister-in-law who's got one in Spain, and it's not like this. This is beautiful. That is absolutely excellent. It just goes with everything, doesn't it? It's got a beautiful place here. Hello, little boy. You're a rescue, aren't you? You are. The smell of me can smell my doggies.
Oh,
Yes.
No fatter than person.
yes, he's
Oh,
a
dear.
rescue, but he's
Oh,
a lot
no.
better than he was.
What a beautiful place this is, though. I could quite easily live here.
Look at my attire. It's gone freezing outside now. We expect to walk the dogs, but within the space of an hour, even half an hour, the weather has changed. Please follow me. This is English weather. Grey cloud, a wind and a cold wind.
Yeah, typical English weather. That's why we carry umbrellas with us. Can you see that? Look at that. Excellent. I think he's got some over here as well. Opposite they got the windbreakers that are falling down. They've got the nice lights on them. And over there they've got lights on theirs. And in here, the reality is getting ready for bed. And what we've done under here, we've made a nice little den for Alfie. We have to make a lot of woo noises for him to go under there, else he squashes us on the bed. And of course we have a traditional breakfast going on here. Let's have a look. It's quite nice. Got to keep your strength up in this heat. Quite a few people here now. So, we're on a beach and it's not raining, we're in a heat wave coming up through Europe, France, heading for us. You ready, you two? You ready to catch the ball? Hey! And it's going to be even hotter tomorrow. And there's nothing better than having a nice, soothing beaker, can't call it a glass, of cider. And look at that, the Mad Cool Festival. Tell us how the blinds are working with the windows open. Now we've actually got some nice weather.
Well, previously we had curtains in our folding trailer tent, our folding pop-up trailer tent. We now got blinds. With the blinds we find this much better. One, they're not a fire risk. If you look here, they're blowing into the gas cooker. Two, when we have the windows open on those windows, the blinds still act as a fly screen.
And it's nice and cool in here as well, isn't it?
And the blinds can be put down to make it cool. Personally, I think it looks a lot neater than curtains.
And on that note, I think we'll end with a few pictures of the recent trip to Northern Farm. Hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell if you want updates. That's a little bell thing on the side, and a thumbs up would be very nice. Thank you.